Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Loom. I had not expected to make a new video on Loom, but here we are because it actually rallied again. Not as much as the first time, it's actually still under those tops, but still very interesting. Unexpected. I was actually tempted to go short on Loom at 10 cents. I didn't because I have seen instances where after such a significant crash, because Loom actually did crash down quite a lot. Like it was down like 33%. And then from there it bounced back up, which is interesting. But in this video, I just wanted to talk about what's most likely from here. Of course, we got a lot of bullish momentum in the last couple of hours, last 5-6 hours. But now it does look like this level, like it has been resistance for 3 hours now already. This level around 11 cents. There's some strong technical resistance there as well. So I just wanted to talk about what's most likely. All right. So that's what we'll do. We'll actually reduce the level down to something like this. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. But you also gain access to my own trading guide and a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. I will also tell you when I will short Loom, because I will short it. Loom is manipulated right now. It's a manipulated rally. So what usually happens then is that at some point of time, it will crash. And now we're waiting for enough bullish confirmation. And you can also see it from where the volume comes from. It just is quite manipulated. Some other statistics to show you and to further highlight the situation is that the open interest, this is actually quite interesting. The open interest right now on Loom is actually still, is around the same levels. Like the volume has dropped down, so it's a bit more bearish now. But the open interest right now is around 29 million and the top is around $31 million. So that's interesting. That actually means that it could go higher. I must say though that this situation right now reminds me a lot of the situation for ARK and what we said. Oh, that's Arcos. What chart am I looking at? Not the right one. I think this is the right one. Here with ARK, what happened is that it actually got up towards, and I think it's very useful to take a look at this. It got up to 70 cents, then dropped down significantly, also with 30% or something, and then rallied back up almost to the top and then started falling again. All right, and what you saw with ARK, which is also interesting, is almost, I believe, if I remember correctly, almost the same behavior, where the open interest was also getting towards those stops again, but the volume was lower. All right, so it's almost identical. And that's why, together with that, this, it was a significant drop. It is manipulated, and we're at a strong resistance right now. That's why I lean towards that will drop down towards 10 cents and that afterwards will break down below 10 cents and drop down towards 8, 7.5 and 7 cents. All right, so that's the most likely scenario in my eyes. Technically, both of these scenarios are still possible. I will short Loom, but I will definitely not short it before 10 cents has been broken again. Just so you know, because at this point of time, if Loom does break above 11 cents, which is a possibility, it will go higher and we'll get up to 13.5 cents and it'll be very, very bullish. It's just that it's so similar with ARK and that ARK actually fell down. I don't know, that does convince me a little bit that the bearish scenario is more likely. But like I said, wait for that confirmation. For now, this is my take. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.